Imagine two galaxies, each with billions of stars, crashing directly into each other. Sounds catastrophic, right? Surprisingly, it happens all the time, and the stars inside them rarely collide. How is that even possible? Today on Lies and Legends, we're revealing the incredible science behind why galaxies collide without harming their stars, exploring the top 5 mind-blowing reasons behind one of the universe's most beautiful and bizarre phenomena. 5. Galaxies are almost entirely empty space. Galaxies might look crowded, but they're unbelievably spacious. The distance between stars is immense. Our closest star neighbor, Proxima Centauri, is over 4 light-years away. Imagine 2 tennis balls representing stars, each placed thousands of miles apart. Now throw millions of them together. You'd barely ever see a collision. When galaxies merge, stars glide past each other, dancing through the vast emptiness, making collisions shockingly rare. 4. Stars actually move around each other. Even during galactic mergers, stars don't slam into each other, they swing past one another. Gravity acts like a gentle hand, steering stars into new orbits without forcing them to collide. Instead of chaos, mergers become graceful cosmic ballets, forming beautiful new shapes like spiral arms or elliptical galaxies. Surprisingly, this rearrangement rarely disrupts planetary systems or life-friendly zones around stars. Number 3. Dark matter. Guides the dance. Galaxies aren't just visible stars. They're embedded in massive invisible dark matter halos, which form gravitational bubbles holding galaxies together. During collisions, these halos merge first, creating a gravitational cushion that guides stars smoothly around one another. Dark matter makes galaxy mergers less destructive, ensuring that stars remain safe and stable, even as the galaxies themselves dramatically transform. 2. Collisions trigger the birth of new stars. Galaxy mergers don't just preserve existing stars, they ignite the birth of millions more. When galaxies collide, gas and dust clouds compress, triggering massive waves of star formation. Instead of destroying life, these cosmic collisions often create it. Our own Milky Way has merged with smaller galaxies before, sparking stellar nurseries that produced many of our brightest stars. Far from causing destruction, galaxy collisions are cosmic fertility events. Or for one, our galaxy is on a collision course. And we'll be fine. In about 4 billion years, our Milky Way will collide with our nearest neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. Scientists call this future megagalaxy Milkometa. But here's the twist. Humanity, if we're still around, will likely survive unharmed. Our sun and planets will simply find new orbits in the newly merged galaxy. The night sky will become astonishingly bright, filled with new stars. But life on Earth will remain safe. Galaxy collisions aren't apocalypse, they're evolution. Galaxies colliding without harming their stars is more than a scientific curiosity. It shows the universe's incredible precision and beauty. From empty space to invisible dark matter guiding cosmic dances, these mergers illustrate the gentle complexity hidden within cosmic chaos. Let us know in the comments. Would you want to witness our galaxy's future collision? And if you want more cosmic mysteries explained, subscribe to Lies and Legends, because the universe always has another surprise waiting.